green shot at me.
Pedro A. Martinez, bro. Oh my god.
Peter.
Oh shit. Yeah. Delete the recording now. Pedro A. Martinez. I exposed you, bro.
No
I just
way.
doxed you on your recording.
No way. No way. Dude, that was so scary.
What are they shooting you with?
They're right in front of you. They're all around you. How are they shooting
Oh my god,
at me?
That's possible. That's a...
I can't. They're going to
What the fuck?
Currently unavailable.
Got him.
You're kidding me, right?
Oh.
Yo, Sugar's a racist.
That's so dumb. I can't.
Sugar, you're racist.
Stop
Oh my
leaving
goodness. How do you shoot a black guy?
Leave me
Oh my
alone.
god. She just killed Black Pride. I'm so sad right now. Oh yeah, he's knocked. He's not dead. Yeah, but he's running a Type 63 though.
Dead. No.
They're not gonna use it. They're gonna use a Type 63.
I'm going around so they don't see me. I might have to go. I'm gonna see them. Damn it. Damn it! Bro.
They're bullying you, bro. Wait, do you have a self-revive?
Yeah.
Keep fighting.
I did.
Oh my god.